Hello and welcome to Matina Technology. Today we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixelbook. Alright, we turn it around. It says that it turns heads. Let's see if my head turns all the way around when I unbox the Google Pixelbook. Alright, let's see if I can get it out of the box. There we go. Ooh, there it is. It's not too heavy. Oh, that's nice. Let's open it up for the first time. Look at that. I mean, my head didn't turn all the way around. It only turned halfway around. So, oh, there's the Google logo. What do we got on the side? USB-C port. The other side, we've got a USB-C port and a headphone jack. Got a volume rocker and a power button. And then actually, you can flip this all the way around to be a tablet. Look at that. All right, let's see what else we've got in the package. Let's get started. Oh yeah, let's get started. Oh, we have a fancy cable. It looks like Apple's cable. I think they would be too happy about that, but it's a USB-C. And we've got a power brick. Oh, we've got to unwrap this power brick. This is probably the most exciting thing in the whole package. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I've never seen a power brick like this before. It's even got the Google logo. Alright. Let me know if your head turned when you saw the Google Pixelbook. Let's give it one last view. There it is, the Google Pixelbook. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you next time.